Alright guys, this testnet is known as Blockmesh. Now this is one of the testnets I'm actually running. And you can see all you need to do is to sign up with your email address or your what they call it, your MetaMask or whatever. But I usually use email address. It's easier for me. So I sign up with my email address, and then you are going to connect your wallet to it. I use my Phantom wallet to connect my address to it, and then you download the extension. This is the extension. So when you click on the extension, this is the extension. So download the extension, you verify your email. That is all you need to do, and you will start mining. Or you don't need to do anything here. All you need to do is just sign in. Once you sign in, it begins to mine, and it begins to count your point for you. It's an automatic process. Now this is the amount of people you invited. I have invited just two. This is my uptime, the amount of time I've actually been live. This is it. And then the connected status shows that it's connected, and then this is the tax that my system has actually done, 32,000. And these are the points I've accumulated. I'm headed toward a million. So guys, this is all you need to do. Just sign in. All you need to do is just log in, and that is it. The system does its job. Just make use of your system resources, and that is it. So there's other perks. When you come to perks, this place, know this point, perks. When you come to that perks, you can you have your social perks, interact, and then also your wallet address. All you need to do is just to go to Twitter, follow the Twitter handle, verify that you're human, connect your wallet, and all of that. Once you are doing all those things, you'll be getting all these points. You see this place, I have 500, 600, 1,500. That is all you need to do. There is no much work. This kind of testnet I like. The job is not too much. Just sign in, do a little bit of verification, and you are good. Now, where you actually do a little bit more job is this interact. This place you see interact here. This interact is where, so when you click on it, it's going to take you to where you are going to verify one of your addresses, maybe one of your central, what do you call it, CEX, one of your CEX. You're going to verify where you have KYC. That is just it. Verify your email address, your Twitter handle, and the rest of them, and you begin to mine. This is a referral. So if you refer people, this is where you see them are referred, totally invited 3, and 2 have been verified. That is all you need to do. There is not much work in this place. It's just what you need to do, and when the time comes, it will be calculated, and you will be given your coin, and you will receive the money from it. That is it. This is a simple testnet, guys. Don't lose out on this testnet. Blockmesh. It's been going on for a while. If you haven't, jump on it. But if you have, good luck, and let's wait for the launching.